ako po si Jasmine Justo. I'm 18 years old and Filipino po nakatira sa Japan. Yung course po namin sa school, meron po silang study abroad program and yung agent po namin, pinakilala kami dito sa GEC. Dito po sa Kingfisher, madami pong pwedeng kainan na restaurants and sobrang convenient po dito. Mababait po sila pag po nakakasalubong namin sila sa classrooms or sa hall. Lagi po silang nag-greet sa amin and lagi po silang nakangiti. I think yung speaking ability ko po kasi hindi po talaga ako confident mag-English. So, nag-improve po talaga siya. Gusto ko pong mapag-aralan yung culture po ng Malaysian and gusto ko pong maging friends dito sa mga tao sa KK. Siguro po mga 20 to 30 ringgit po. Nakatira po ako ngayon sa host family ko and mababait naman po sila. I really had a great experience here in KK, especially here in GEC because my English really improved a lot. And now I think I'm more confident because in Japan we don't really use English that much. So it was my first time to speak in English in my daily conversations. So it was really nice. And here in KK, the people here are really friendly and yes.